Yeah, in the house. Baba, I love you.
अरे पीछे आप फुल फ्रेम नहीं मिल रहा है.
Baba, center, Baba.
Come close.
ये पीछे जा रहे हैं. Baba, center.
फुल फ्रेम.
Baba, center, Baba.
Come close. अरे
दावत देना भाई, अनिकेत आवाज दे.
बाबा.
अनिकेत आवाज दे. राम सर यो. बाबा सोलो बाबा.
अभी घर जाके सोलो.
ये भाई पीछे नहीं भाई.
रेडी
बाबा.
साथ में साथ है प्रेरणा.
थोड़ा सेंटर में है. हेलो लेफ्ट साइड. चार्मी जी यहाँ पे.
राम सर. सेंटर में थोड़ा सेंटर में सर. राम सर.
हाँ बस. यहाँ पे सामने देखिए.
या मैम.
सेंटर.
गोल्डन है. चार्मी मैम. यस.
आप भी वही नो. चार्मी जी सामने देखिए. चार्मी जी यहाँ पे देखिए लेफ्ट पे.
सर राम सर यहाँ पे.
चार्मी जी. चार्मी जी आई लव यू.
Tell us what is Mar Muntha Chod Chinta.
Say cheers and chhod chinta.
बस खत्म. लगाने का ऐसा वो टोड़ी लगा रहता है, उसका घड़ा उतारने का, मारने का, चिंता छोड़ने का. And today here we are, ladies and gentlemen, to present to you all this. And उसको बड़े पर्दे पे उतारा है the creative genius, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Puri Jagannath sir, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sir. थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर आए सबसे पहले और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं. यू नो, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म? Sorry?
Difficult thing.
Was it like easy or?
Difficult thing is getting his dates.
Okay.
And
He
working
had
with
7
him is
films
very
as lined
cool.
up.
That's
Had
why I
some
call her the
7
go-getter
films
also.
lined up.
Oh, that's an announcement.
That time,
That's like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
When we thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba and 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are
Please.
happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen,
We have a superstar debuting.
of course,
Yes.
of course, OG superstar of the Indian film industry, Sanju Baba. Before I invite him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give it up for this superstar, a superb young actor, जिन्होंने इससे पहले जितनी बार भी फिल्मों में काम किया है, कमाल किया है, उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ustad Ram Pothineni, ladies and gentlemen. More noise. Lovely.
They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we loved you over there, of course.
Thank you.
First pan-Indian film, officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it, everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so, and now finally this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail, so please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing. The people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with Double Ishmat with double the energy and double the everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently, and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
A superstar in Telugu,
And
first film.
it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir. You know, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And, you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah. Thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, it's a big thing to do. Kindly welcome Sanju Baba on stage.
Yes,
I want
please.
you to do it.
Sanju Baba!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार हल्ला बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल
नमस्ते कैसे सब लोग मस्त है ना ठीक है तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema in Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double Ishmat Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you, sir. Charmi.
Sir ji.
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है.
Sir ji, sorry.
I said in Punjabi के परेशान बहुत किया है यार. लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus.
Thank you ji.
Thank you for letting me be around.
Sir ji, thank you ji.
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. But इसको एक चीज़ है, इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार.
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता.
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, बोले हाँ कुछ है, यहाँ पे लग गया. ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो. विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर. एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ. So inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know. And
प्रोडक्शन के इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो
and
गया.
of course राम, you know. इतना मजा आया इसके साथ काम करके. अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था. लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा. And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह. हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की. I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhabhi is there and Bhabhi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhabhi. And बस अपन के पास और कुछ भी नहीं है बोलने के लिए यार.
She's been a very important part of this film, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां जाएं. Welcome, ma'am. Also, would like to invite on stage AA Films, of course, the superstar Anil Thadani Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. He's distributing the movie. Please, sir, आइए. Also, RKD Studios से Dugal Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. Digital partners हिंदी में हमारे. Welcome, sir. It's time for a quick photo op. Yeah, we'll do with this team.
Come, come.
Junior Dugal Saab, please, we want you on stage. Come. Thank you so much. Can we quickly have the chairs up on stage, please? Ali sir, बैठे हैं आप भी. Tami ma'am, Puri sir, please. Okay, Puri sir, the first question is for you from Amar from Mama Razi. Sorry? Question. Mama Razi, right? यही होता है ना? Puri sir, the first question for you is, how much were you involved in the casting process of Double Smart? And was the casting of Sanjay Dutt your call? Or whose call was it?
No, after writing the script, no, we all sit and discuss. Ram, me, and Charmi. In everybody's mind was one name, Sanju Baba.
All right, the next one again is for you from Jaya Bollywood Now. How do you manage the expectation of fans when creating a sequel to such a successful film like Smart Shankar? And what can audiences look forward to in Double Smart?
Yeah, it's hard to crack a sequel, I always. but I promise, and better than the first part. This story is much better than the first part. And Ram's energy is double than that, double than the first part, I can promise. And 6 songs are there, amazing songs. And energetic Kavya is there. Ali sir, comedy is there. Absolutely. And Sabke Upar Baba, Sanju Baba is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को. The next one is for Ram bhai. Madhu BBC हिंदी से पूछना चाहती हैं कि this is your first pan Indian film. किस तरह की expectations हैं और क्योंकि after Bahubali, you know, unlimited हो गया है सब कुछ. You know, box office की range जो है वो unlimited हो गई है. So what do you have to say on that?
Hello.
Check. Yeah. I generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And yeah, and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and yeah, pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people.
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
Yeah. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you.
that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmi Charcha wants to know, एक time था जब आप romantic फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे friends वो romantic भी कर रहे हैं, action भी कर रहे हैं. क्या fans आपको वापस romance करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग bold अवतार आ गया है?
अबे रोमांस, अबे आप क्या बोलते हो लेकिन?
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे. सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर आए, लेकिन आई मीन अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे. मिथुल from Telly Chakkar wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film. And negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया है, लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmi Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Nam 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है, Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है. and City Mar picture hai. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, do you think now Ram Bhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is
Definitely.
item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?
Ma'am, I remember meeting you. Yeah, how are you?
वो मुलाकात, no, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy अंडा.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ,
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया. कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया.
और बन ही रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं इधर होती हूँ उधर भी होती हूँ.
And बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. Puri sir, for you, double smart. What is double smart? और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
नहीं, I never tried, but I right.
But as Ram Bhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो sir. Sanju Baba, for you, double smart बनने का आखिरी बार कभी try किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. But I love it. I mean, double smart.
Right.
मस्त है.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Huh? Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया है. ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे और फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
order
just
पे
got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did get
That trauma.
scammed the other day. So
Right. All right. 15th August is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, ladies and gentlemen. जाते जाते एक surprise for all you people. राम भाई को and बाबा को हम request करेंगे कि वो hook step जो है वो हमको थोड़ा सा सिखा दीजिए.
Yes, please,
Step Amar.
please.
Can we quickly remove the
Please,
chairs?
on public
Ram
demand.
step amar.
बनता
One
है.
step amar, sir ji, please.
And
उस्ताद,
मीडिया के हमारे जो कुछ एक friends
मैं
हैं.
प्यार से इनको उस्ताद बुलाती हूँ. ये
Rahul from
हमारे
the Filmi
उस्ताद
Charcha,
हैं.
come. We want you on
और
stage.
बाबा,
Rahul, quickly. Sir, आइए. आप भी आइए. Yes.
जरा गाना लगाइए ना, बिग बुल.
लगाइए भाई, लगाइए, गाना लगाइए. Sir, एक second. I'll call you guys on stage. Can we quickly have the song, please? We'll do the hook step with the team and of course with our friends from the media in some time.
गाना बजाइए. Ustad and Baba are going to entertain us with one small hook step. They are not planned. This is a surprise to them. They didn't even know that we are going to ask this. So please be kind.
that's all we have for you. 15th August is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. And Big Bull तो हमने देख ही लिया. देखिए स्क्रीन पे और क्या जलवे दिखाता. Thank you so much.